Here these two polynomials are given and we have to find fx plus hx and fx minus hx. For this we have written this fx polynomial plus sign and then this hx polynomial. Then we have removed bracket. Here removing bracket does not make any difference in addition, but in subtraction the sign of this all will change. Here all plus becomes minus. Then after this we have arranged the like terms, like this x4 and x4 we have written together, then power containing x3 and x3 written together, then containing x square, then containing x, and then constant. After this we have to add or subtract whatever is possible here. Here both have plus sign, so we have to add coefficient. 5 plus 1 is 6 and this x4 written as it is. We do not add this again. And here 3 plus 3 is 6 and x cube is written as it is. Here x square only, no any other term containing x square is there, so it is written as it is. Then here plus sign and 7 plus 3 is 10x, then here plus 2 as it is. Here after arranging like terms, 5 minus 1 is 4 and x4 is written as it is. Here 3 minus 3 is 0 and this is cancelled, so not written here. Minus x square is written as it is. Then minus this 7x minus 3x is 4x and here minus 2 written as it is. In this way we have completed this question. In question number 6b, these two polynomials are given and we have to find this fx plus hx and fx minus hx. For this fx plus hx we have written this fx polynomial first, then hx polynomial. This plus sign is here, then this hx is here, and then we have opened this bracket in this step, then this plus, then we have multiplied this all with this plus sign. Plus into plus is plus, plus into minus is minus, plus into plus is plus, plus into minus is minus, and other all terms are as it is. Then in this step we have arranged the like terms. Here power x3 is, and here is also power x3 of x, so we have written this together. Then this 2.5 x square and here is also a term containing x square, we have written together. When writing together we have to take this sign also together. And here minus 7x, then this 2x has plus sign, so plus 2x, then this 2 has plus sign, so plus 2, and this 3 has minus sign, so minus 3. Now we have to add or subtract the like terms. Here is also plus sign, here is also plus sign, so we have to add this, and as before we have to add coefficient of this like terms only. 3 plus 2 is 5 and x cube we have written as it is. We do not add this 3 plus 3, this is wrong. 5x power 6 is wrong. We write variable only one time and we add coefficient only. Here 2.5 is, and here is 3. Here is plus sign, here is minus sign. When there is plus and minus sign we have to always subtract. So greater number is 3 and 3 minus 2.5 is 0.5, and we have to write sign of greater number here. Here is 3 is greater, so we have to write here minus sign is 3 as minus sign here. And then here is also minus and plus sign, So we have to subtract 7 minus 2 is 5, and since 7 is greater and it has sign minus, we have written here minus sign. Then plus and minus here for number also, since here is also plus and minus, we have to subtract 3 minus 2 is 1 and 3 is greater which has sign minus, so we have written here minus sign. Similarly here we have written this fx polynomial first, then minus this minus sign, then hx polynomial from here. Then in this step we have open this bracket. When opening this bracket here, we have to multiply with this minus sign as before. Here we have multiplied with plus sign. Minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus, minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus, and terms are written as it is. This sign changes, only this sign. Then here we arrange the like terms as before. Here this 3x cube, then from this minus 2x cube is written together, then containing x square 2.5 x square, then from here plus 3x square, then minus 7x, here minus 2x, here plus 2, here plus 3. Now here is plus sign, here is minus sign, so we have to subtract. So 3 minus 2 is 1, and we do not write 1 coefficient. X cube we have written base only, then 2.5, here is 3, both have plus sign, so we have to add. 2.5 plus 3 is 5.5, and base x square is written as it is. Here minus minus is there, so we have to add, and sign is also minus. 7 plus 2 is 9, and minus sign is written, and x is base, so x is written here. Here is plus 2, here is plus 3, and we have to add this, so this is plus 5. So answer of fx minus hx is this much, and fx plus hx is this much. In question number 6c, these two polynomials are given, and here we have found addition of fx plus hx. Fx is this, hx is this. Then here as before we have opened this bracket, and here we have arranged like terms. This 4x cube first, then this 4x cube, then 3x square, then this minus 2x square, then 5x, then this 3x, then this plus 4. Here 4x cube plus 4x cube, 8x cube, 3x square minus 2x square is 3 minus 2 is 1 on x square, then plus 5x plus 3x is plus 8x, then plus 4. And here we have written fx minus hx. Fx is this, hx is this. Here we have multiplied this all with minus sign, then minus into 4x cube is minus 4x cube, minus into minus plus 2x square, minus into plus minus 3x, minus into plus minus 4. Then here we have arranged like terms as before. This 4x cube, then this minus 4x cube, then this plus 3x square, then this plus 2x square, then plus 5x minus 3x, then minus 4, then this 4x cube minus 4x cube is 0, so we do not need to write here. This 3x square plus 2x square is 5x square, plus 5x minus 3x is plus 2x and minus 4. In question number 60, this fx and hx, these two are given polynomials, and we have to find fx plus hx. For this we have written this fx and this hx. In this step we have opened this bracket, then in this step we have arranged the like terms. This 4x cube, this x cube 7x square, this minus 4x square, this minus 8x, this minus 3x, this minus 5. Then 4 plus 1 is 5, then x cube here plus 7 here minus 4, so 7 minus 4 is 3 and 7 is greater which has plus sign, so here is plus sign. X square is base, here minus minus sign is there, so we have to add this 8 and 3. 8 plus 3 is 11, so minus 11x, and this minus 5 as it is. Here also we have written fx, then minus this minus sign, then hx polynomial, then here this we have to write as it is, then here minus sign, minus into plus minus, minus into plus plus, minus into minus plus. And in this step we have arranged the like terms, 4x cube, then this minus x cube, then plus 7x square, this plus 4x square, this minus 8x, then this plus 3x, then this minus 5 here. 4x cube minus x cube, here is plus and minus, so you have to subtract 4 minus 1. If there is no any coefficient, then it means coefficient is 1, so 4 minus 1 is 3 and x cube. Here plus 7 plus 4, so 7 plus 4 is 11 x square, and here minus, here is plus, so you have to subtract 8 minus 3 is 5 and greater number is 8, it has sign minus, so here is sign minus, and minus 5 as it is.